All right, guys, we just learned some new terms from our Brain Pop video, and so we are going to practice some of those terms. So let's take a set of numbers. We're going to say 2, 7, 5, 12, 30. Okay? So 2, 7, 5, 12, and 30. So we are going to find the median. We're going to find the mode. We're going to find the range. And we're going to find the mean. Okay? So we're going to start with the mean because we've done the mean. We've done that previously, so we've learned about that. So the mean just means the average. Okay, so we're going to find the average. And how we find the average, we're going to add up 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 12 plus 30. Okay, that's the first step. So in your calculators, or put those numbers in: 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 12 plus 30. I'll give you a few minutes to put that into your calculator, or not a few minutes, about 30 seconds to put that into your calculator. Okay, so you guys should have come up with 56 as your number. So now we're going to count how many numbers did we add up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to divide that 56 by 5. And I'll give you a few seconds to come up with a number, and that will give you your average. Your answer should be 11.2. So the mean for this set of numbers is 11.2. Okay. Let's just go up the ladder here. The next thing we want to do is find the range. So the range is the difference between the biggest number and the smallest number. So we're going to find the difference, we subtract. So that's going to be 30 minus 2. Okay? So our range for this set of numbers is 28. Okay? Super easy. Okay? So next thing we want to do is find the mode. The mode is any number that is repeating. So there is no mode because there are no repeating numbers. So we'll put that as 0. All right? And the median is a number in the middle. Okay? So we have 5 numbers, which makes it easy because we want the number in the middle. Well, we see the number 5 has 2 to its left and 2 to its right. So 5 is in the middle. So our median for this set of numbers is 5. All right. So that is our first example. Okay, now we have another set of numbers on our screen. We have 3, 3, 9, 1, and 10. So to find the mean or the average, we're going to add these numbers up and divide by the number that we divide by the numbers that we added up. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to put this in your calculator. We're going to add these numbers up, then divide by the numbers that we added. I'll give you about 30 seconds to complete that. All right, so if you add these numbers up, you get 26, okay? And we have 5 numbers here to count, okay? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, okay? 5 numbers. So we take that 26 divided by 5, and that gives us a mean of 5.2, okay? Now let's do the range. Range is super easy. It's just a subtraction problem. Range is super easy. That's a subtraction problem. So we take the largest number, 10, and we subtract the lowest number, 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So our range is 7. Okay? Our median is the number in the middle. Okay? We have 5 numbers here, 3, 9, 1, and 10. Okay, so 9 is in the middle because it has 2 numbers to the left, 2 numbers to the right. But I need to rethink that because we need to write this in numerical order. So let's just erase and we'll just rewrite it. So our median will be 3. Since it's repeating, we're going to remove one of those numbers. We're going to put 1 first, 3, 9, and 10. Because we don't have to write 3 but 1 time because it's a repeating number. So now we got to take these 2 numbers and find the average of them. Okay? So we have to find the average because there's 4 numbers. So when you have 4 numbers, you got to find the average of the 2 in the middle. When you have an even number, you're going to have to find the average of 2 numbers. So 3 plus 9 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we have a median of 6 for this one. Okay? And then the mode, which numbers repeat? We got the number 3 repeating, so that is your mode. All right? So that is a couple of examples, and then we will do some practice on quizzes to see how we pick this up. All right. Thank you very much.